Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to set up AT&T Internet Air. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly set up the AT&T Internet Air here? Well, setting up is very easy, but you need to refer to the official instructions for directly from AT&T. Now, how do we see those instructions? Now, you could actually go to their website here, and you could go ahead and scroll down over here, and you have the where can I get instructions to set up my All-Fi hub here. Now, from here, they have a PDF file that you could access here, but I'm going to open this up for you. So what you need to do is you need to install the official app here. So you want to get the Smart Home Manager app. So you need to download this from the App Store by searching Smart Home Manager, or you can just scan the QR code in the setup guide with your phone's camera. Now, if you rather, you can visit the official website here, which is att.com/shm on your phone to download it. Now, from then on, you just want to open up the app and sign in or create your account. So if you've already registered your AT&T Internet Air service, you want to type in the sign in or log in with your AT&T account. Now, if you haven't registered yet, you want to tap the set up requirement and scan the QR code on the bottom of the All-Fi hub when the app asks for it. Now, from then on, you want to set up and activate it. So in the app, you'll see a screen that says, let's begin your AT&T Internet Air setup. Tap get started to begin, and the app will actually guide you, in this case, the step-by-step process on how to set up your All-Fi hub here. Now, this one is pretty straightforward. As long as you have the updated steps here, you will be able to set up your AT&T Internet Air. But yeah, so it's best to refer to their official app here to get the instructions, because sometimes there might be some differences and updates on their steps. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.